Hey everybody, so today I am going to be showing you how I organized my brand new workshop. Alright, so first here is my Stanley workbench that I got on my birthday and I cleared it up because so now I can work on it, and when I work next time I'm not gonna have everything on it, so I can't work. So, and here are my DeWalt stackable boxes. So yep, and here are a couple of boxes. So this is spanners, and this is sockets, and this is a pink drill that's a bit funny, and here are my Makita drills. Okay, now let me show you my drill cupboard. So here is where all of my drills are. So first of all, we have got, these are big drills right here, and here are 3.6 volt screwdrivers / drills, and there are also ones in a case or in bags, and here are my chargers. And yeah. Alright, and there's also extra batteries there, and now on top are my Stanley cars that I built. These are the Stanley Junior cars. They look really cool. And yeah. Okay, here are my drawers. They have like little screws. These little ones have like little screws, and some are like, this drawer has all of my spanners in there. Well, some of them. I have more spanners and screwdrivers here, and hex keys, and little screwdrivers, and multi-tools, and screws. Now, I didn't show all of them because I don't really have enough time to just open up every single drawer, but, and in my box, in this box here, I keep all of my drill bit. And here in this box, I keep all of my cheap and old and cheap useless stuff. I mean, some is useful, but it's just old. Okay, so let's close it, put it back, and here is my antique brace drill that I made with my dad, and here are all of my toy tools, like my toy adjustable wrenches are all in this box that I used to play with when I was a little boy, and I'm still keeping them. And this box here is for toy drill bits that come with toy drills. So yeah, these are just toy tools. And anyways, this was a snap video. I hope you all like my workshop. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.